Before you worry that your Pi wallet is not working, it is because you are seeing this sign on the screen. Please watch this video till the end. I am going to explain why your wallet shows activate your wallet and how to fix it quickly so you can finally send and receive Pi on Mainnet. Why do you see activate your wallet screen? Many pioneers don't realize this. Your Pi wallet will not activate until your KYC is linked to the exact wallet address. Even if you passed KYC before, if your KYC was connected to another wallet, or you changed your phone, or you created a new Pi browser wallet, this new wallet will show activate your wallet, meaning your identity no match this wallet, as we dey talk am for pidgin. So the real message is this: when Pi says you have already migrated with another wallet, this is the real meaning. So your KYC is valid, but the KYC is linked to a different wallet, not this one. In simple terms, Pi don't tie your KYC to another wallet. So this one lock. So how do you fix this very problem? To unlock this wallet, Pi gives you a fast option called KYC with on-ramps. This option helps you, 1, to re-verify your identity, connect your KYC to your current mainnet wallet, enable you send and receive buttons. So you only need to buy a small starter Pi, usually $1 to $3. Don't worry, this is not buying Pi to trade. It's just a small verification step. Now just to confirm, say, now you be you. So let me tell you now, step by step, how to activate this. 1, open your Pi browser. Go to wallets. From wallet, enter Pi mainnet. Then click buy some starter Pi. Select your country. Enter your correct details. Make the small payment. Wait for 5 to 30 minutes. Then refresh your wallet. Once this is done, you will see wallet activated. Your Pi balance, send and receive unlocked. Everything will open, no wahala. Please be very, very careful. Don't buy Pi from WhatsApp or Telegram. Don't pay anybody for fast KYC. Don't. It's a scam. Don't send your ID to strangers. Only do this inside the official Pi browser. No follow shortcuts. Now there scam they wait for you. No follow shortcut. Just do the right thing in your wallet. If this video really helped you, please like it, share it with another pioneer. Let them learn. Let them see how they can benefit by reactivating their wallet. And if you want me to explain the difference between on-ramps Pi and Mainnet Pi, do you know what I mean? On-ramp Pi and Mainnet Pi. Just tell me in the comment section below, and I'll fix that.